Hi everyone, today I'm here with Mr. Pankaj, a true expert when it comes to AI-driven marketing solutions. We've been hearing a lot about Meta's Advantage campaigns, and I'm really curious that how has this AI-powered tool been working for clinics and hospitals?
Great question, Dr. Bharat. Meta's Advantage Plus campaign have been a game changer, especially for healthcare organizations. We have seen hospitals and clinics achieve incredible results. One of our clients saw a 35% increase in new patient discovery. The system uses AI automated targeting optimization and the budget optimization and test ad creatives in real time. It takes all of our guessworks out.
That sounds impressive, but how does the AI targeting actually work? So imagine for a hospital, reaching the right patients is crucial. So how does that work?
Exactly. And that's the beauty of this Advantage Plus campaign. The AI doesn't follow traditional targeting methods. It also goes beyond that to reach high intent users, even those who might not have been in the original audience. It constantly analyzes real-time user behavior across all Instagram, Facebook, and other assets. So you don't have to worry about manually setting up complex audience parameters. It is completely AI driven.
That's fantastic. So it essentially automates the process of finding the best ads and delivering them at the right time. But tell me, what kind of results have you seen with your clients so far?
We have seen some incredible results, Dr. Bharat. For instance, one 50-bedded hospital in Surat saw a 240% increase in patient leads with just 6 months. Another clinic reported a 200% boost in revenue from new patients booking after 4 months. These aren't just numbers. They represent real-time customers, real-time outcomes for the healthcare providers we work with.
Wow, so these numbers are exactly what we need to see in the healthcare industry. It's clear that Meta's Advantage Plus campaign aren't just about more clicks. They're about generating real qualified leads for hospitals and clinics, right?
Actually, exactly. And it's about driving efficiency and getting the right people to your practice. The AI takes care of the hard work and you get the measurable outcomes, more calculations, and higher ROIs.
Wow. So thank you, Mr. Pankaj, for sharing this valuable insight. For any clinic or hospital owners watching this, if you want to optimize your marketing, generate more quality leads, and boost revenue, the Advantage Plus campaigns are definitely something you should explore.
Absolutely. If you are ready to take your practice to the next level, drop us a message and we can show you how the system works for your clinic or hospital and bringing predictable outcomes within 6 months. Thank you.
Thank you.